the probability is all about making predictions of happening or not happening of an event. So to be able to predict for an event, we must know all the possible outcomes. Okay.
Okay.
And also the ones that are favorable. Okay. That we have also seen that p is equal to m by n. Okay. So same thing like exhaustive event. So exhaustive event is an event consisting of all the variable possibilities. That is n. That is exhaustive. So this is the exhaustive one. Okay. And
So can you repeat? I couldn't hear you properly.
now, are you able to hear me? No? Is it okay?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, that's what. An event consisting of all the variable possibilities. That is,
Okay.
we have considered a well-defined collection of objects, which is under the sample space, that is 1 to 10. So this is the various possibilities. Okay? That is the exhaustive.
Okay.
Yeah. We have seen in tossing a coin or throwing a physical die. Okay. Now, the coin, if you say head or tail, right? Head and tail. That's it. Okay. And if you take a die 1 to 6. Okay. And in the back of a card, you have 52, leaving out the joke. Okay. That is not considered because there is not void in computer that does not give any value. Right? So we call that as void, right? In computer.
So your voice is actually echoing, so I cannot hear all the words properly.
Now is it okay? Now?
Yeah, I'll keep it okay, yes.
Okay. Fine. Also, we said that P plus Q is equal to 1. P plus Q is equal to 1. Where Q is not happening, P is happening. Yeah? Right. So this is probability of getting more than 10 when two dice are thrown simultaneously. Okay, when two dice is thrown. Okay, simultaneously. So here a dice has got 6 faces. So when you consider 2 dice,
36.
yeah. So n is 36. Now our question is more than 10. So what are the favorable one?
Of getting more than 10.
Yeah.
How can it be more than 10?
5 by
5, 6.
5 comma 6, correct?
Oh.
6 comma 6. Yeah. And 6 comma 5.
Get it now.
Right? When you add it, you have to sum this.
I was thinking that how can it be more than 10?
Yeah. So a total more than 10. Okay? Which is?
Okay.
Yeah. So here, if you call these three are favoring, so we can consider the probability, which is m by n, which is 3 by, okay, which can be written as 1 by 5. Fine.
Fine.
Which I have a box. Okay, I have a box. which consists of 3 white, uh, 5 black, and 6 red balls. Okay, a box
Hmm.
which contains 3 white, 5 black, and 6 red balls. Okay, so if a ball is drawn at random,
Hmm.
what is the probability that it is either red or white? What is the probability? It is a red.
It is
If it is
red
red
or
or
white.
white, yeah, getting it.
9 by 13.
9 by
13.
14. Yes, yes. How did you get it? You have put the additional formula, right?
Yes.
Okay. So that is 6 by 14 plus 3 by
14.
14. So this is
Hmm.
9 by 14. Because here red, which is 6, and white, which is 3, which is favoring. And this
Hmm.
will be the total, right? So that's what. So the first bag contains 4 white and 2 black. Another bag contains 3 white and 5 black balls. Okay. So if a ball is drawn from each, uh, let us see the different possibilities or the probability of that. So
Okay.
both are white and both are black, and also we'll see one is black and another is white. Okay, let us see.
Okay.
Now the bag one contains 4 white and 2 black. So that should be consisting of 6 balls.
Yes.
And bag two contains 3 white.
8.
Yeah. We got the numbers. These
Hmm.
are the exhaustive or the maximum which can happen. Okay. So let us see the
Okay.
first one, which is both are white. So
Hmm.
let us see that how to do it. So the probability of white and white. Okay,
Yes.
4 to 6, and can you tell me?
I forgot the number.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. So it's 3 by 8.
3 by 8. So this is, so what did we apply
Hmm.
here?
Product theorem.
Product theory. This is and. So that's it.
Hmm.
Now let us see. Both are black again.
Okay.
Both are black. That is
So 2 by 6.
2 by 6
5
and
by
5 by 8.
5 by 8. Hmm.
Yeah, you figure as understood. Now the third one is like you have been given one is black and another is white. Okay, one is black and another is white. So let us consider that probability B black from B1, and one should be white from B2. So it is 2 by 6 into 3 by 3. Is this only the possibility? Can we have another type? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. It is white
Oh, from
from
B1 and black
B1.
from B2.
Yes. Black from B2. This is the possibility. That's it. Only these can be, because luckily we have only two colors. If colors are increased, then you have to do all with that, right?
Right.
And now we got this result and this result. Now we are applying OR. So this should be added.
Addition.
Yeah, addition. By this and 5 by this. So this is 13 by 24. So this will be the one which we have done on product. Also one with addition. So addition theorem as well as the product theorem. The probability that the person A solves the problem 1 by 3, and that of B, which is 1 by 2, and that of C, which is 3 by 5. Okay, these are the probabilities that person A, person B, and person C has solved the problem.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is of solving. Okay. Now, if the problem is simultaneously assigned to all of them, okay, if it is given to all of them, then what is the probability that the problem is solved? What is the probability that the problem is solved? Okay.
Okay.
So you have to notice that even if one solves the problem, it is presumed that the problem is solved. Okay? Please keep that in mind. If anyone solves this problem, it is presumed that the problem is solved. Okay?
Okay.
So here, I'll consider A not solving. These are solved. Okay? Not solving, which is 1 minus 1 by 3. That is 2 by 3. B not solving. Can you tell me? What is it?
No.
Yeah. So it is 1 by 2 and this is 2 by 5. It is 1 by 2 and 2 by 5. So this is of not solving. Now the probability that the problem is not solved. So that should be 2 by 3 multiplied 1 by 2 multiplied 2 by 5. So which is equal to 2 by 15. So this whole thing is not solved. Whole thing which is not solved. Now the question is, if the problem is simultaneously assigned to all of them, so what is the probability that the problem is solved? So it is Same thing, we have to use P plus Q is equal to 1. So here Q being 2 by 50, so you get P as 1 minus 2 by 50. So which is equal to 13 by 15. Yes? Are you able to hear me?